Yes, we are live. Cool. How are you guys doing?
Good. I think, okay, Aaron is
Aaron
back.
is here. Yeah, he's back. Hi, Aaron. How are you doing?
Good.
Good. Um, so yeah, like the reason for this pair programming today is like Aaron needed some help with testing some of his. He created a pull request I think last week with a change he made, and he needed help testing it. So I was gonna attempt to like try and guide him through how to do that, right?
You're talking
And
about the view spec, yes? Gravatar.
sorry,
You're talking about Gravatar specs, yes?
yes, it was the gravatar specs. Yeah, and yeah, it's actually a good thing Brian is around. Maybe he will help us a bit with that because I'm also not too.
Okay.
If you don't mind, Brian.
I don't mind, but I was speaking to Aaron actually about that.
Mm-hmm.
His pull request. I personally don't think it needs to be tested. So I've okay. It looks like Thomas is merged in. Yeah.
Hey.
So I basically just told him that this is it's not a good idea to test image sizes because it's not something you want to test because that's something you want flexible to change, and you don't really want it to break tests when you change image sizes. That's just
Mm-hmm.
silly.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah,
I see.
so it looks like
Uh,
it's all good now. Um, hmm. I wonder if you have any other plans since that's all
um,
done.
so what you're saying is that can essentially be merged. That pull request can be merged, right?
Yep. Look, Thomas has already merged it.
Oh, really?
Looks like.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool. So the other thing is, I don't know if you've seen, I was working on the search, the Google search last time with
Wow.
Michelle, and
Yeah. I That's actually what I turned up this Hangout for because I think I know what your problem here is. A really
mhm.
complicated problem. Um, do you have the project open now?
um,
Or maybe you
uh,
can try something for me.
okay, let me just quickly do that because hopefully my computer doesn't fail me. I just rebuilt my computer, so a lot of things can go wrong. Okay. Uh, I'm just gonna share my terminal maybe. The problem is I have a double screen and it's not so good with screen sharing. I don't know how to select just the one screen. Okay. So now there's gonna be this. Can you guys see the screen?
Um, yeah, can see some kind of screen. Do you have a VM running?
No.
You can see like multiple screens.
Yes, that's the thing. I have. Okay, I think I'm just gonna disconnect the other screen, just to make things easier for me now. Okay, this should be
Oh,
much
okay.
better. Cool.
Yeah, that's
Um,
better.
Venture website one. Um, just gonna open it. Okay. It's
What distribution are you on?
14.10.
Mm.
Yeah. Okay. So there's the code. If I go to views, layout, level. Okay. So here's the the block that loads the search.
Yep.
And I have search. Okay, so this is just some jQuery code that I have to like change on if I have that thing running. Oh, yes, so search your cool apps. But okay, so all that jQuery code is doing is just changing this icon here when it's open and making sure the focus is on the input box. So that's all I'm having. But when I move to this page now, it's gonna yeah, I won't have the search loaded anymore. Yeah, this is slow. Okay, it's loading. Okay, so now it disappeared. It didn't load it this time around.
Mm-hmm.
You wanted me to try
Does that
something?
also happen on your local machine?
Yes, on my local machine it does the same thing. Let me see if I can stop that. Okay, while it's doing that. Okay, it's running. Oh, forgot that I just rebuilt my computer. Okay. Is that setup script?
Oh, okay. So you don't have a lot of things.
Yeah, I need to set up the DB and all that.
Oh. Okay.
So yeah,
Does
maybe
anyone else?
if someone else has the thing set up, maybe we can try on their side. I don't know. And maybe pull that branch and how it works. I can set up script. Which file is that? It's in PHP. 9.4 HT. Let's see. 9.4 PG. Okay.
Right. So who has the latest branch? Maybe I'll try and pull it down.
Yeah. I was working on that with Michelle only, so unless somebody else pulls whatever I have on my repository, and maybe paste my link, my repository link here, and then somebody can pull and get to that branch there. It's at add advanced search. Okay, I just pasted it into the group chat now. There it is. So somebody can maybe pull that while I'm setting up the DB here.
Okay, let me try.
Okay.
I've been trying to pull it down, but I haven't run the project for a while, so may or
Okay.
may not work. Oh. Cool. Why need Postgres running?
I need to make this trust.
Um, oh, migrations. I think I forgot to do that.
DB.
Or is that okay?
That's what I'm doing now.
This doesn't look right. And it's missing the. Do I need to be logged in?
Sorry.
Oh, I shouldn't need to be logged in to see the search, right?
You shouldn't.
I'm not seeing a search. Weird. I'm in
You move to
your.
that other branch. It's not undeveloped.
I'm in your. Oh. That's just me. Sorry. Right, so this is the right branch. Okay. I'm on the wrong version of Ruby. Have you guys upgraded the Ruby version?
Ruby version is 2.1.5.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, you need to install it.
Yeah. I'm still on
I think I'm almost.
2.1.1.
I think I'm almost done here. I'm just migrating the database. Just need to migrate, and then it should be up and running.
Cool.
So that. Okay, that looks good.
Do any of you guys have the website one already set up?
Yeah. All my tests were passed, so I think all's okay.
And can you try pulling down his branch and maybe you can check to see if the problem is happening locally as well. Yeah, the Ruby version is gonna take a long time to install. So
Okay, Reynolds space. Let's try again. I think this should work now.
oh,
There we go.
cool.
Okay, I got it running. So
Seems to be working now.
Search one. Okay, so that works. It gives me the result and all. But if I close this and move to a different page and do this, it's not loading anymore.
Right.
Yeah.
I want. Can you try something for me?
Sure.
Hold on, let me write it down. Because I think the issue is the way that that Google script is running. I guess you copied that script from somewhere.
Yeah, I copied it from the configuration panel on
The
their website.
Google script. Yeah. Normally that would be fine, but it looks like it doesn't work with Google links very well.
Mhm.
So I want you to copy. I'm gonna paste something in the chat. Can you try replacing that script?
Okay.
That. So that the script in the navbar partial.
So just put that. Oh, come on. Okay. Continue this. I must replace with this, right? Just to check this out. I should probably change this with.
Yeah.
Did you get this from? Is this the right
I
code
just
or?
copied a lot of. I copied all those values from that script. So what I did is just replace that script because all that script does is it runs once and adds a script tag to the body.
Okay.
But all I did was just use an actual script tag.
Okay. All right.
So try that. I think the parameters should be correct.
Name. Load that. Still works. Fine. Nope. Doesn't load up.
Didn't work?
No.
No. This time?
Okay, there's a script, but it didn't work. It's still blank. Move to a different page. It's still blank. Yeah.
That's not good.
I don't think I have it here.
This is a tough one.
Where else? So what this script will do is it will look for this tag and replace it with the content from the Google thing, right? So technically I should be able to pull this out and put it in the head, right?
Sorry, I didn't catch that.
I was asking if since, well, I'm assuming the script that we're loading from Google is going to look for these tags and replace them with the actual HTML, right? So is it okay if we take this out and put it in the head, maybe?
Should be okay.
Because I was reading today, and well, somewhere they say that Tubal links usually recommend having them in the head instead of the body. So I can most probably have something like this. should still work. Okay, so I'm just gonna refresh. Okay, that's loading. Okay, I move to another page. Oops, not working. Yeah, doesn't work.
But does it work on the first time?
Yes,
Or
the
is it
first time
still
it the first time it works. When you load the page the first time, it works.
Yeah.
So from here on, if I move to a different page, it's not gonna load it.
Right.
So right now I'm at the user page. If I click here, it's not there, but if I reload the page, we have it there. And I can make a search. So it will still work until I decide to move to a different page. There it does load it. Where did I see that today? Evaluating script tag. Will evaluate any script tag on page, but because I do not have any type. Big note. A rule of thumb when switching to TurboLink is move all your JavaScript inside the head. That. So console will only run once on the initial page load. Oh, okay. Makes sense. Did you guys have this problem before? Ran?
We've had similar issues, but not this one in particular. There has to be oh. You can you add an attribute to it, same one that appears with the application script? Where is it? It's something like data turbolinks track equals true.
This one.
Yes. So can you add that attribute as well? Yeah.
Then we refresh that. Okay, so that works. Nope, doesn't work.
No.
I think I tried something similar to that earlier today. Still doesn't work.
Oh, that's really annoying.
Um,
It's just that that script is not compatible with TurboLinks. Yeah, it's frustrating.
yes, it is.
Which is actually why I wanted to get rid of TurboLinks in this project. But we haven't gotten around to do it.
As a,
It just causes problems.
I'm sure it's gonna break a lot of things right now.
Sorry?
I'm guessing it's gonna break a whole lot of things right now.
Removing TurboLinks.
Yeah, or maybe not.
I'm not sure. I don't think so. But we won't know until we try it. Don't know if I want to.
So I've tried all sort of things today, reading online, couldn't get anything to work. So if anyone wants to take a bite at it, more than welcome to. The other thing we remember after the other day we said we were not gonna test it anymore, right?
uh,
But we still can. We wanted to try and test like a basic. Um, where is that again? Ugh, not the helpers. Like basic stuff on it to make sure that it displays and all that. But we got stuck at this point. For instance, like we couldn't get it to find that specific input box because it's not rendered when Capybara is like reading the page. So I asked Thomas about it. He's still not sure whether we should continue testing it or not. Maybe you'll
which one?
help him. This the same feature, the search feature. So we wanted to make sure that when the
Okay.
user gets here, that we can test that the search form is appearing right and things like that. That we could fill in the maybe a keyword in the form and then submit it and see the result. But we only got up until this two steps here. So this one we couldn't get it right.
Hmm.
Well, what this one was supposed to do essentially was to, if I can find this. So it was supposed to fill in the specific input with a keyword.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, but then now the problem is when I inspected, I put a debugger here, and when I printed the body, it's not rendering that form. It's just rendering the JavaScript snippet, but not the actual HTML form.
Right.
So we
Can I
can't grab that.
can I see a feature file?
Here it is.
Mm-hmm. Because this works with JavaScript, you need to tag this feature with @JavaScript.
Oh, so I should tag this with
At,
add
yeah.
JavaScript.
Yeah.
This.
Mm-hmm. So that
Oh,
should get you a bit further. But
okay.
personally, I wouldn't test beyond a search form should appear, because that is testing the Google's API and
Mm-hmm.
their little search bar.
Mm-hmm.
You should only test that the search bar appears, and then to me that's
So
enough.
so we should only stop here, right?
Yeah.
That should be enough.
Yep.
Okay.
Um.
All right then.
Yeah. Maybe you can just test that whether or not the search bar does appear now with the JavaScript tag. Just out of curiosity. I'm
Okay.
curious.
I'm just gonna. Hmm. Oh, it does pass. Nice.
Yeah, because since it needs JavaScript,
Mm.
the normal browser doesn't run JavaScript without
Okay,
tagging it with add JavaScript.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Cool. So I guess maybe with the add JavaScript we can finish at least the spec and see how far we
Yep.
get. Yeah. Okay. Then,
Good.
but then again, you're saying we shouldn't be testing this.
No, I wouldn't recommend it. Just wanted to see it pass. That's all. Yeah.
Okay.
Um,
Good then. All right. So yeah, that's about it for me. I don't know if
yeah.
anyone else had a specific problem to address. I don't know. Aaron?
Yeah, guys.
Yeah, no, I don't. I already asked him like at the beginning, so it's good.
Okay. So you're cool.
Yeah, okay.
And Peter?
I have a question about a bug, pivotal tracker URL validator. I wonder what is the problem with that, because the reason the problem is one letter, yes? Pivotal tracker
What's
changes one letter in URL.
what
Yes.
story is that?
Okay. One moment.
Is it the one about the image validator link?
No, no. Uh, I will paste URL. Okay. Pasted it.
Yeah. Out. Oh, this one. Okay.
Solution
I
is quite trivial, but the question is why this letter did change.
okay. I'm not quite familiar with this one. Not sure. I should notify for this, but blah blah.
I can change proper validator, but it is possible that this URL will change in the future.
Okay. I'm not sure about that. Here's a link to my build tracker. You maybe want to show us what, I don't know.
I think
Did
yeah,
you?
it looks like the issue can be fixed by changing one letter.
Yes, but the
Maybe
question,
it's a good idea to accept both.
You
yeah,
saying, Brian?
I think it might be a good idea to accept both URLs for the time being, because I know some links might still be on S, the new ones will be on N for pivotal.
Okay.
yeah, but maybe in the future this letter will change also. For example, not W letter, yes?
It might do, but it's not. I don't think it'll change for a very long time.
Okay.
Because this is, I think, they changed to N because they were changing the whole interface and everything. So we shouldn't worry about that.
Okay.
They will still support N for a long time.
Okay.
When a new letter does come out, we can add that.
Okay. So I can fix it.
Yep. tests and
Okay. So, yeah.
cool. Just for your information, Raul, I don't think that script is gonna work. With
The search
TurboLinks.
script.
Yes, I'm just looking at the code. It looks like they are also using TurboLink incompatible methods.
Wow.
Yeah. Let me show you my screen. Then you can see what I'm looking at. Okay. So this is what you're getting back from
I don't have the screen yet.
this little script here. When Google fetches this script,
I don't have
they
your screen,
come back
Brian.
with a. Oh, really? Can anybody see my screen?
Now we can. Yeah. Now I can.
Okay. Oh, you can now.
Yeah.
Cool. Is everyone else? Can everyone else see my screen?
Yeah, I see.
Okay. Cool. Right. So when Google script here, it loads another script which tries to fetch another script. Kind of weird. But this method does not work with TurboLinks because the way it works is it tags into the document, but the script tags are only evaluated when the document loads for the first time.
Yeah.
So when you're using TurboLinks, you sort of avoid loading it for the first time too many times.
Yeah.
And so all these scripts are not going to run here, which is probably why you're not getting your little Google search box. I don't see any way around this, because this is the way their API works. It's just not TurboLinks compatible.
Okay.
We might want to discuss this with Thomas.
Okay.
But yeah, the solution is to me is to get rid of TurboLinks. It might be a painless thing. I don't know, but yeah, we'll find out, I guess.
All right. I'll ask him tomorrow maybe when he's online, and then I'll hear what he says about it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, but then
I
there's
may be
one
wrong,
thing.
but in my opinion, it's
Initially I had
Go on.
that. Initially I had the search bar at the top of the. See on the nav bar, the orange part. I had it there, but I'm not sure if it was loading on every pages. Maybe I should try that again and see, because let me just show you what I'm talking about. Hopefully I'll find that image here. Up there. Not that one. So I had this thing like this. Maybe I should put it back here and test it like that and see if it reloads on every pages now with it this way.
You could try it. I'm not sure that's gonna help.
Nah, I don't think it's gonna work.
Worth a shot anyway.
No, I don't think it's gonna work because all we're gonna be doing is just moving this. Where's that block? It's just moving this block on to the top there, so it's gonna do essentially the same thing. So if I remove this, for instance, and I put it right here at the top. And I can take this search. Okay. Okay. Let me just pause it. Let's see. Okay, it's not even rendering it now. This is weird. Um, I need to go and change the left CSS. Where are you? Okay. A line look. Do a trick. Let's see. Okay, there we go. So it shows that, but if I go there, yeah, it doesn't load it. Yeah, so it doesn't change much. All doing the same. Okay, it's still doing the same thing, right? Not showing up. If I refresh, it's gonna display it now. There we go. So I think I'm just gonna ask him tomorrow, hey Brian.
Yeah.
What should we do about this? So this was supposed to be the easiest solution to that search problem on the website. Maybe we might want to implement. It's either we take our tuple links, like you said, or we implement our own search on the page. I think.
Mm-hmm.
So something that's going to go
Yeah.
into the database and return results based on that. So I think that's going to be the other option we have on this one.
And I believe Postgres does support full text search, so you can do some at least partially smart searches with it. Yeah, so I haven't used it myself, but shouldn't be too. Hopefully, it shouldn't be too hard to pick up. But you won't be able to go through Active Record. That's the only thing, because
we won't be able to.
Other similar, you won't be able to use Active Record for it. So Active Record is what helps you do like something.where, something.all that really handy stuff.
Okay.
For if you want to use the full text search, you might have to hit the database directly with queries, which may not be an easy thing to do. Can be quite buggy.
Alright.
If you're not sure how to do it correctly. Yeah. So just be wary of that. both options aren't easy.
Oh.
I think.
Nothing works on my side.
Sorry, I can't help. I'm still bundling.
Everything is freezing here. But I'll have a look at the link you just posted now and see maybe if that's the route we decide to go for. If we decide to go that route, then I'll have a look at it. Yeah.
Yeah, but I think let's speak to Thomas first and
Sure.
find out what he thinks is best.
Sure. Okay, so on the tracker story, there was a suggestion for a gem called Search Corp, which is a search engine like full text for active record. Yeah, so I don't know.
Yeah, usually these things will have some kind of you need additional infrastructure. Might not be easy to set up. It's, well, let me find out how Search Corp works. What was it? Gem. Let's see. Let's. Actually, this might be okay because it seems to be using the stuff like Postgres full text search abilities. So this could be easy.
With this one.
Yep. So that.
Okay.
Yeah, Search Corp. So it's using the existing database, so that's fine.
All right. Cool. All right. I guess we'll hear from Thomas about that.
Yeah.
So.
Looks like there was no easy solution. Okay. Yeah. Oh. Looks like he disconnected. Okay. Does anyone else have like any other issues to discuss?
Not today. Thanks.
Okay, cool. Not sure if Raul's gonna be coming back anytime, but I don't know about you guys, but I have to go soon. Oh, there he is.
Yes, sorry, I lost you guys early on.
Don't worry about it. I have to go soon, so do you have any other questions or anything?
I think if no one else has a question, we can maybe call this a wrap.
Yeah? Sounds good to me.
Yeah.
Is that good?
All right, guys.
Aaron?
Hey.
Good session.
Yeah,
Good session.
it's okay.
It's all good. Okay.
It's all good. Okay, cool.
Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you very much, guys.
Cool. Thank you.
Ciao.
Bye.
Ciao. Bye.
All right. See you guys around.